Hello friends, my name is Vivek. I am from Hyderabad. I have done BTech from SRM City Bareilly, and I heard about Evision. Then I came to Evision and I got everything that Evision provide WIPRO based job training, on job training. So I think that I should do, because being a fresher, we don't know anything like practical knowledge. So I think I thought that I have to join that Evision. So I joined Evision, and after some times I got many opportunities in MNCs like Genpact and WIPRO, and finally I got selected in WIPRO. And Rahul sir and Raju sir provided me great knowledge and also lots of practical knowledge. With the behalf of that things, I got placement in WIPRO, and I think being a fresher, you have to join Evision, because Evision provides job guaranteed placement. If you will join Evision, that means you will get 100% job guarantee. And it is also in MNC, because if you will start your work from MNC company, then it will be more beneficial for you. So please join Evision if you want to work in networking profile, or if you want to make your career in networking profile. So choose Evision and get placement in MNC. Thank you Evision. Thank you Evision. Thank you so much.